You can expect a lot from the 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including automatic dimming door mirrors, a headlight cleaning system, a power liftgate, skid plates, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.